Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greeting to my IDEX external panel from industrial and academic judges. My name is Amirul Solihin bin Abdullah, and I am taking Bachelor Degree of Electronic Engineering Technology in Telecommunication in University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today, I will present about my Bachelor Degree project entitled Development of Smart Water Billing Monitoring System using IoT. Do you know what is Smart Water Billing Monitoring System? Let me briefly explain to you about my Bachelor Degree project. Hi, this is my poster for my Bachelor Degree project entitled Development of Smart Water Billing Monitoring System. The introduction for my project is the project present is development of Smart Water Billing Monitoring System using IoT. The system can enable the user to monitor the water usage and the water bill in real time through the mobile application. The objective for my Bachelor Degree project are to develop Smart Water Billing Monitoring Application System using Internet of Things (IoT), and the second one is to enable the water usage real-time monitoring through mobile application. So this is the research methodology for my project. This one is the flowchart, and also this one is my blog for my project. And the result discussion, there are 3 parameters that I measure for analysis of design of experiment. So the first one is pulse frequency, the second one is flow rate of water, and the third one is water pressure of sensor. These 3 parameters that will be affect to the successful of my project. So this one is my final product of the project. This is the hardware part, and this one is the mobile application software part. Alright. So the conclusion for my project, the listed objectives are achieved and the results are discussed for further action. The Smart Water Billing Monitoring System by using the MIT Apps Inventor through the Wi-Fi technology was successfully achieved. And the last one is prototype of the system was implemented and can be applied in real situation. The system is easy to use, reasonable, and also smart. So that's all for the presentation of the poster for my Bachelor Degree project. Now, you already know, right, what is Smart Water Billing Monitoring System? But do you know how it works? Let me show you. This smart meter is implemented in my household piping. So we can see here that the meter is connected to the water pump, which is the water pump. This is the conventional method, which is using the analog meter, and the water from the meter is going to water pump, and from the water pump it will flow through this my water meter, and the water from my smart meter will be flow to the house piping. Okay, so we can see here the rate and also the volume. When I flow the water, the rate and the volume value also will be increased, and the rate right now is maintained 19.1. So here you can see that the volume on the LCD and also the volume in the mobile application, it is the same value from the smart meter and also in the mobile application. So we can monitor the volume directly through this mobile application. You can see here in this application, there is user profile, consumption, and also tariff info. For the user profile, user need to enter the name, account number, and also the address for the user. And the consumption here, it can be monitor the water usage of the real time. So here you can see that the current value 3.14053. So we can put the previous reading here 0, and also we can choose the state of the bill that we want to calculate. For example, I calculate from Melaka. From here, I press the calculate, and then it will show the usage. So for now is usage 3.14053, and then the current charge is 6 ringgit. Okay, so in case this value we want to calculate for different state, for example, I choose the Kelantan. So for Kelantan, the bill will be RM4.50. So this is the current value, the real-time value from sensor, and it will be shown in this application. The third menu for this mobile application is tariff info. This is the tariff info of state in the Malaysia. So if you want to know what is the tariff for certain state, you can use this page to see the tariff info. For example, for Melaka, you can see here the tariff, and for the different state also it will show here. So, as you all know, the method that we are using today to monitor the usage of the water still using the conventional method, which are using the analog meter. But today, as you can see just now, this smart meter can be easily installed to any piping that you want to monitor the usage of the water, and this smart meter comes with the mobile application. By using this application and using this smart meter, you can monitor the usage and the charge of the real time through the mobile application. There are a lot of advantages by using this system. You can easily monitor the real time consumption and also the charge of any state that you want. So, this smart meter can be applied for any state in Malaysia, and the system can generate the charge of the consumption directly in this smartphone. So, by using this application, you can easily monitor and you can choose the rate, the tariff rate based on the state that you want to calculate the charge. So, it's so convenient, right? So that's all for my presentation of my bachelor degree project. I hope you enjoy watching this video and have a nice day. Thank you.